spooky.
What kind of cards are these?
These are actually my personal, like, custom-made cards. Yeah.
Nice. I'm doing this one. Back. He said I'm doing this one. I'm just playing.
Go ahead. Take one that you want, though. Jack of Diamonds, how would I know? Your sunglasses. No, but it doesn't matter because this is a different trick. Oh, you want a different one?
All right.
Check this out.
No, go ahead.
Here's. It doesn't matter. This is the only Jack of Diamonds in the deck, but we're gonna make it the only Jack of Diamonds in the world. Okay?
All right.
Take off the Sharpie and put your signature on it. So just your signature on there alone. It's not just an ordinary Jack of Diamonds.
Yeah, I'm not normal.
Hold on to that because I'm gonna take it in a minute. Let's take the Jack of Diamonds. I'm gonna fold it up. Bite down on just the corner of it. Perfect. Hold on to it just like that.
Don't eat it. Then.
Yeah, you don't gotta eat it.
I'm so scared.
Okay, look. I'll take the next card down. Take the cap off for me. Thank you. I'll put my signature on it.
He's really doing it.
I'll take the cap back. That's right. So check it out. Jack of Diamonds, only one in the world with your signature. Nine of Hearts, only 9 of Hearts in the world because of my signature, right? Look, take the 9, fold it. Mirror what I do, okay?
Okay. I'm so nervous.
Do what I do.
I can't bring it in.
This is. Is there any more packet?
No. Don't tell me they switched.
Y'all kiss. Nope. Y'all kiss. Y'all kiss. Nope. I close my eyes.
Wow.
Wow.
I had your card the whole time. I don't know.
I know what a French kiss is, but I don't know what kind of kiss that was.
Wow.
Y'all
Very.
You can keep that as a souvenir.
Wow, that is so impressive.
If it's switched, I'm gonna smack Ashley for
Oh
being in on
my
it.
goodness.
How? How is that in your mouth? How is that in your mouth? How the fuck you put me up to this, bitch? That's the whole thing. That's why you. She,
So is
she
my
knew
spit
that.
still my spit?
She knew that. She knew that. She knew that. No, did she know this? We just came over here, but she knew that before. From where were we? Right here. We were right here. I don't know. That was weird. This was. Do it again.
So I can keep this?
You can keep this one too. Yeah, you can keep them both as a souvenir.
Oh, I want your spit.
I
You
do.
think you cute? You know you cute. Let me. That's why I said no. You know you cute. Why you?
Y'all basically just.
Y'all super cute.
And he just tricked me with dumb shit. That was real spooky. I wish I could do it.
She was in on it.
I was not in on it.
Cause
look.
Okay, well put your spit in my mouth.
This was in my mouth. And this was in his. But I had this the whole goddamn time. 120. What 120 mean?
It's a secret.
It's a goddamn secret. Fuck David Blaine. Fuck Chris Angel. This is this mine.
Yeah.
I'm with Evan Almighty. Evan Almighty. God, no.
Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Jarek120. Come back tomorrow for another Daily Street Magic video. Make sure to like and comment this video because I'll be hosting a contest once I hit 900,000 subs. Check out my other social media, all at Jarek120, and my second channel, Best Life I Ever Had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.